Howdy, kids. Welcome to Funny Rhymes Time. Today we're visiting the farm with cows, sheep, hens, horses, and pigs. Get ready to sing, dance, and make animal sounds with me.
Big brown cow goes moo, 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 eating grass the whole day through. Woolly sheep goes ba, 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 soft and fluffy, ha, ha, ha. Hen says cluck, chicks say cheep, pecking grains before they sleep. Horse runs fast with clip, clop sound, neighs so loud, jumps off the ground. Pink little piggy rolls in mud. Oink, 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 thud, thud, thud.
Yay! We had so much fun with our farm friends today. Cows mooed, sheep baaed, hens clucked, horses neighed, and pigs oinked. Kids, which farm animal is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. See you next time on Funny Rhymes Time. Bye-bye, farmers!